Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're like me, scrolling through Facebook can feel like dodging a minefield of ads. But don't worry, in 2025, Facebook has rolled out some awesome updates to help you take control. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps to see way fewer ads on the Facebook app, making your experience cleaner and more enjoyable. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest 2025 version. This is crucial because newer updates include enhanced privacy tools. Open your App Store, search for Facebook, and hit that update button if it's available. Once that's done, log into your account and head to the Settings menu. You can find this by tapping the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. It's usually labeled as Menu or More. Next, navigate to Settings and Privacy, and then select Ad Preferences. Here, you'll see options to manage what kinds of ads you see. In 2025, there's a new feature called Ad Reduction Mode. Toggle that on. It uses AI to limit personalized ads based on your activity. While you're there, review and clear your ad topics. Uncheck categories that don't interest you, like shopping or travel, to cut down on irrelevant promotions. Another game changer is adjusting your privacy settings. Go back to Settings and Privacy and select Privacy Checkup. This tool will guide you through limiting data sharing with third-party apps, which directly reduces the number of targeted ads. Oh, and if you're on an Android device, consider enabling an ad blocker extension through your browser settings for even better results, though Facebook might have its own built-in options by now. Finally, remember to regularly review these settings every few months, as Facebook updates can change things. By following these steps, you'll spend less time skipping ads and more time enjoying your feed. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.